This is portobello mushroom and it's today's recipe for our lunchbox. We have these nice avocado here. We're gonna make fresh guacamole that I know you love it.
I love it.
Yes, we have onions, tomatoes, and some pepper, coriander, and some lovely colorful pomegranate to garnish it with. Okay, let's start, Daria. Just if you wait, you'll see that mommy is gonna make you a very, very delicious stuffed portobello mushroom. Okay, first of all, we have to cut the avocados in half. Take the big seed out. You can do it like that. This is the way you normally do that. You want to do it for mommy?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Now we need to smash it. Let me do it because some of them is a bit hard.
Okay. The avocado.
What's wrong with the avocado?
Evil.
Okay. No, they're tasty and soft and nice.
It wants us to get messy.
Daria. Okay.
There has to be a secret group.
Daria.
Avocados
Pay attention.
talk. They
Okay.
do.
Please, can you give me the diced onions?
Ooh.
We're gonna add the onions now. Add it with this spoon.
Ooh.
Yes, you can add. And then that's really nice. Little bit more, please. That's good. And now tomatoes. That's nice. Yeah, that's nice. Now we're going to smash it again. And pepper, fresh grated peppers. Okay.
Ooh, that was a bit much.
And we need some coriander. Yes, that's nice. Salt and pepper. Yes, that's a good thing to do. You have to, because you didn't know which one is salt, which one is pepper.
Yeah.
That's why she tried it before. That's a very smart thing to do, Daria. That's nice. Yeah. And also pepper a little bit. Don't put too much because we put the fresh pepper. That's great. Yes.
Okay.
And let's see. Our
Lemon.
beautiful portobello mushroom. Lemon, yes, yes. Put it, and also olive oil. Okay, with the lemon, it's better to, let me show you, honey.
On the,
Wait.
on the
No.
fork.
Yeah, normally, because the lemon, you have to put a fork here and press it. Otherwise, it goes to your eyes and, you know, it's not nice like that.
Mom, I've
Yeah.
given the portobello mushroom a name.
You giving it a name? Okay, what's the name?
I think it looks like a bob.
No, Daria, Bob. Why Bob?
I don't know, it just looks like a bob. Like,
I don't know. Let's taste and see.
what about
What is that?
Matthew?
Matt.
I named him Matthew because he's
Not
clean
bad. Little
and
bit
Bob
more.
is dirty. Can we eat Matthew and not Bob? Because
Okay, yeah, why not? We
because
can do
Matthew's been very a bad boy today, and he deserves it.
that. Okay, let's do that. Okay, Bob, it's not your turn to get
Sorry,
cooked.
Matthew.
Matthew, it's your turn. Now the guacamole is ready. Everything is done with that. And it's time to cook Matthew.
Look at this.
Daria, can you pass mommy salt and pepper, please?
Okay, Captain.
Okay. Thank you. Look at the smell. I love it. Okay. This is our cooked Matthew or portobello mushroom.
We shall not speak of Matthew
Why?
It's rude.
You asked me to
Imagine-
cook, Matthew.
Okay, but imagine how his family would feel.
Okay, let's stuff this beautiful portobello mushroom, homemade guacamole. That's great.
Matthew, at least you'll have guacamole inside you.
Yes, and spicy guacamole. That's great. Give me the pomegranate seeds.
Pomegranates.
Just you can garnish it at the
Ooh,
top.
okay.
Okay?
I'll make a smiley face.
Mm-hmm.
When?
You can put any garnish you want at the top of the guacamole, parsley or tomato or anything you wish. We put pomegranate because it's sweet and it has like a crunchy feeling and it's colorful. Let me see.
Mom, how does
Yeah,
Matthew look?
it's nice. Matthew looks so nice. Okay, now it's time for what?
To get the lunchbox.
Yes, go and get it, please. Oh, that's Daria's favorite lunchbox. Now, we're going to put the portobello mushroom inside